Yeah. Bad guys in the building. I told you I'm the life for the party. Why your guys want they try to let that be? Beating head don't gun, make me want to hack. So padi me them sa sholo maggie. Mommy see I no be legal spender. I got a shitload of that legal tender. I'm thinking how we met is not coincidental. I can make your life just a little better. Have you ever been to Lagos? Have you been with a guy from my city?
Guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're all doing fine. So today I'm going to show you guys a very quick way to make a wig. If you're a beginner and you're struggling to make a wig, this method is definitely for you. I'm also going to show you guys how I style this hair. The wig is actually looking very nice. The hair I used to make this wig is from Klaiyi hair. I'm going to put all the hair specs and links in the description box below, and I hope you guys enjoy and learn something from this video. If you do, please don't forget to support me by liking this video, and please subscribe to my channel and also share this video with your friends. So now let's just get into the tutorial. Hi guys, so the hair came in through DHL. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys what the packaging looks like. So I have 4 bundles here and a closure, but I ended up using 3 bundles and 1 lace closure.
You've been so loyal to me. Our love is forever. This trip you're gonna see. So let's go. I planned a week at the beach. Baby, get ready for the summer. You're gonna learn how to samba. I'm taking you with the rhythms in the street. I'm taking you to see the carnival queen. You're eating the mango sweet. I'm eating some killer rice and beans. I swear we'll never wanna leave. I swear there's so much there to see. This love is just you and me. So come with me, baby. Rio, I'm gonna take you dancing at the...
So I'm gonna go ahead and start making the wig. First of all, I'm gonna go ahead and sew down my lace closure. After that, I'm gonna go ahead and start making the wig. I'm gonna use my glue gun because it's the easiest and fastest way to make a wig. I'm gonna apply the glue, and then I'm gonna place the weave on the area that I applied the glue. If you want to see a detailed tutorial on how to make a wig, I'm gonna leave a detailed video in the description box below for you guys to check out. So right here, I'm just gonna go ahead and make this wig.
So come with me, baby. I'm gonna take you dancing at the carnival. You can be my girl from Infinite. You're gonna love it in Rio. You're gonna love it there. De Janeiro. From the ocean to the city, we escape it all. If I make you crazy back home where we're from, you're gonna love it in Rio.
So after making the wig, I'm going to go ahead and apply my eyeliner on those areas that are white. You know, the glue leaves some white things sometimes. So I'm just going to apply my liquid eyeliner on those area. After that, I'm going to go ahead and create my part. After creating my part, I'm going to go ahead and twist the part to make the part look more natural. So right here, I'm just gonna go ahead and cut out the extra lace in front, and then I'm gonna go ahead and spray a little bit of water, and then I'm gonna apply my leave-in conditioner, my BANTU leave-in conditioner. Now I'm gonna go ahead and apply my concealer on the part to make it look more natural. So right here, I'm gonna go ahead and wear the wig. Then I'm just spraying a little bit of water because I want to have that kind of wet look. yes guys, this is what it looks like. It really looks nice. I really love this hair. So right here, I'm just gonna go ahead and put the hair in the low ponytail. You guys can see that it looks so beautiful and natural, and that is what it's gonna be for this video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you do, please don't forget to support me by liking this video, and please subscribe to my channel and also share this video with your friends. Love you guys. Bye. Hello, hello, hello.